roltonning yangichasi ekan. Bu koreyskimi, endi Chinese mi
bulldog,
bilmayman,
not
qanaqadir. Shu rolton, oddiy roltonni yangicha
If we
varianti.
like it, you're gonna bring more for
Bulldog
us.
degan kuchuk bo'lardi.
Bulldog.
Shunda o'shani lopshasini hozir
Have you guys ever eaten this? Because I have no idea which one to try first. My friend
Hozir yeb
said
ko'radi.
that she loves this one, but other people won't probably like it. So
ko'ramiz,
I don't
hozir
know.
ko'ramiz. Yeydi. Yoqmasa agar majburlab yeydi keyin.
let me open it.
Shuning uchun buni hozir qaynatishga qo'yamiz. To'xta, ochamiz. U qaynashi kerak ekan. 5 minut qaynab, undan keyin ana bu qilish kerak ekan. Pripravalarini solib, yana 2 minut yopib qo'yish kerak ekan.
Wait, first let's do some ASMR. Everyone be quiet. Today will be the day. Bulldog. So let's start.
Okay. Koreyan ekan, endi Koreyan deb chiqibdi. From Korea.
Made in Korea. I just want to open it so badly.
Buni boshqalari ham bor ekan, boshqa.
I know there's like a very spicy one. So if we like it, you're gonna make a whole closet of it. Not a closet.
Sen yo'q solib kelamiz.
Okay.
Hamma qilib maqtab qani ko'ramiz. Yesinchi.
So hot.
Muhammad Ali, ye. Kamgina deb yotdingki, ye.
To be honest, the dough, you can barely even like taste the cheese inside, and the dough, it's like so.
Shuning uchun hamma ko'rgan narsaga ham ishonib ketavermaydi.
I'm just saying the texture. I'm not saying it's bad or good. I'm just saying.
Hamma narsaga ham ishonib ketavermaslik kerak, shuning uchun. Kimgadir yoqadi bunaqa narsalar. Bu hamma
Actually, du guys bilan video chat qilib yemoqchi ekan darsini qilib.
ol. Osh bo'lsin.